Do they put pimento seed, cloves, or cinnamon, or all three in the sorrel? Alright, so it's Christmas time, and you know what has to be on the menu. The drink menu, we have to have some sorrel. So not everyone likes the beer, but we can make some sorrel. It's my first time. Let's experiment and let's make some sorrel, girl. Let's get it. Hey guys, so we're trying to make some sorrel right now. Yes, I'm using my phone to do the video because I'm out of memory on my memory card. But we have Jamaican sorrel, hibiscus. We have ginger, and right now we're in the process of washing them. So if you're making sorrel, you have to wash them properly. You have to wash your sorrel properly. So now we're in the process of washing them. I drop a little bit of soap because I am an extra clean person like that. The sorrel have to wash properly. It have to clean. This video is shaking because it's in my hand. But let's get to it. Alright, so I put them in some soap, I rinse them off, and I'm just washing them properly. And that's what we're doing right now. I have so many questions. I'm trying not to ask my mother because I want to surprise everybody when I bring sorrel to the Christmas dinner. So I'm trying not to ask my mother how to do it. But I watched a YouTube video. Why did this man say that he put cinnamon in his sorrel? I never ate cinnamon going to sorrel yet. So is it me or is it him? Then I don't remember, is it pimento seed or cloves going on the sorrel? I need some help. I need some help. So I'm going to wash it, cook it or boil it, and then let it sit for a while. So I'm going to try to get this video out. So if you see this video and you know whether it's cinnamon, pimento seed, cloves, tell me so I can drop it in before the Christmas dinner, okay? I'm counting on you. I need your help. I need your help. If you see this video, tell me, is it cinnamon, pimento seed, or cloves that goes into sorrel? Thank you very much. Let's continue washing them now. Okay, step 2. Sorrel washed. I'm going to wash the ginger, water in another pot. Let me wash the ginger. According to the man, I'm supposed to grate the ginger, but I never yet taste the ginger big enough, but I'm going to strain it. I'm going to grate a piece. I'm going to grate a part of it. And then I'm going to also cut up a part. Let's see. Alright, time to wash. Time to wash the ginger. So let's get to washing the ginger. So I have a soap here. I'll wash the ginger. Ginger dirty. So washing the ginger. Wash the ginger off. Because I know ginger. Alright, we're back. So we have put the water to boil on the stove. We have washed our sorrel washed, clean, nice, pretty. We sorrel look pretty. We're not gonna lie about that. Sorrel pretty. We'll cut off some of the ginger so far, but we want to shred some as well. So I'm going to have to peel some more. I'm going to rest my napkin right there. I'm going to have to peel some more. So come a bit closer and watch me peel. Watch me peel the ginger. So peeling the ginger. ginger. Peeling the ginger. We're peeling the ginger. I think I'm wasting some of this ginger, but listen, do my best. I'm doing my best. So we're going to shred some. Boy, the pot start boil up yet. There's a big pot still. No. How the ginger looks so. Let's grate some of the ginger. Take out my t-shirt so we grate on the ginger. Let's bring it in just a little. We're grating the ginger. We are grating, shredding, grating. Oh Jesus! We are shredding the ginger. Take off my t-shirts. We're shredding the ginger. So it is nice and spicy, as it should. As it should. Hold on, I need to change the angle so my TikTok can see me doing this. Okay, so the water is boiled. The water is hot. But I want to throw in my sorrel and let it boil a little bit more. A little bit more. So let's do it. Come on a little bit closer, baby. Oh my God. Alright. Let's throw in our sorrel. So you see? Oh, the steam coming up. I'm sorry, I had put some water in it earlier. Oh, the sorrel is going in. Yeah. Girl, sorrel I draw. Hold on. I want to change the angle, but I want to show you guys real quick. Hold on. Girl sorrel I draw. Alright, that's one to you later. Okay, so I really need your help. Tell me, whether your grandmother, your grandfather, your mother, your father, your auntie, your uncle, your niece, whoever, how do they normally make sorrel? Do they put the ginger, sorrel of course, the hibiscus leaf, with pimento seed, cloves, or cinnamon? Like, I need your help. I need your help. So tell me, do they put pimento seed, cloves, or cinnamon, or all three in the sorrel? I am going to quickly drop this video so I can get your feedback real quick so that I do it the correct way to surprise my family. I'm not sure, and I need to impress them because what? I'm an adult now. I'm supposed to know how to make sorrel. I'm a Jamaican. So how do we make sorrel? Alright. Catch you later. Drop it in the comments and let me know what you guys put in it so I can know, so I can quickly get it out of the way for Christmas Day. Thank you. Bye. Basically, because it's almost 12 o'clock. It's almost 12 o'clock, so it's like a day before Christmas. My hair is not done, my nails are not done. Girl, juggling, working, and life is tough. And I had school as well. So, yeah. That's a wrap. That's a wrap. What's at the bottom? Okay, so we have cinnamon sticks here. And we have 1, 2, 3, 3 and 3/4 bottles of sorrel. And I've been dropping like cinnamons down. Come here, cinnamon. In each bottle. Just to let it get some flavor. And I'm shaking it up. And when I get the pepper, the pimento, I'm going to drop some down in it as well. So yeah, let's do this. Okay, quick update with a sorrel review. I needed that. 10 out of 10 would recommend. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Like, listen, I made like 3 3/4 liters of the sorrel. I took it on to my brother for the Christmas dinner. I only brought on 2 liters because, you know, it's a limited edition. You can't really give them too much of the great stuff. you can't give them too much of the great stuff. And I would definitely recommend. Someone recommended cinnamon sticks. Yes, dropping in the cinnamon sticks. And they also recommended orange peel, dried orange peel. I think I'm going to try that next year. But the cinnamon sticks, yes. So what do you need for your sorrel? Ginger, cloves, pimento seeds, cinnamon sticks, just a few. Break it off. You let your ancestors be your guide. Some red label wine, a little bit of rum. If you're into that, you can let it be virgin, or you can mix up a little something, you know, put a little razzle dazzle to it, and it will be a 10 out of 10. I made a longer video on YouTube. I'm going to compile it, join it together so you can watch it, and enjoy. And I also made a shorter video on TikTok, so you can check it out wherever you want. But Jamaican sorrel, yeah, I don't think the rest of the world have nothing on our Jamaican sorrel. I did try one in Mexico and it was a bit spicy. Really love that. It was a good competition for the Jamaican sorrel. But yeah, I hope you watched the video. I like how to make Jamaican sorrel, so I hope you enjoyed that. What I did after the last clip that I made was I added the pimento seeds to it. I used brown sugar to sweeten it. That's very important. Brown sugar to sweeten it, to sweeten the drink. And yeah, you know, of course you can drop in some ice to allow it to chill sorrel a little bit faster if it's not chill enough. And yeah, that's how you make Jamaican sorrel. I hope you enjoy. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Bye.